Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making a vibrant rainbow layered smoothie. This colorful, nutrient-packed drink is as delicious as it is beautiful. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1/2 cup strawberries, chopped. 1/2 cup mango, chopped. 1/2 cup spinach. 1/2 cup blueberries. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, optional for creaminess. 1 banana. 1/2 cup almond milk, or any preferred milk. Ice cubes, optional. 1 tablespoon honey or agave syrup, optional for sweetness. Directions: blend each fruit separately with a portion of the banana, Greek yogurt, if using, and almond milk to create different layers. Add honey for sweetness if desired. Start with the heaviest layer, e.g., strawberry, and pour it into a clear glass. Carefully add the next layer on top, using a spoon to guide it to avoid mixing. Repeat the process for each color layer, creating a vibrant rainbow effect. Serve immediately with a straw and enjoy. Prep time: 10 minutes. Total time: 10 minutes. Calories: 150 kilocalories per serving. Servings: 2 servings. Don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.